Hello, guys. A big hi from Leeds, Yorkshire, England, with my third DJI OSMO Action 3 in the last 3 months. Yes, that's correct. In this video, I'm going to talk about two major issues I've had. In last 3 months, the two major issues I've had was number one, at the time of activation, so the camera wouldn't connect to the DJI Mimo app because I simply couldn't find it. And now the final one is the overheating issue, which to me is the most concerning one. Activation. The first two I got would not just connect to the DJI Mimo app. I was using a Samsung S7 Edge. I downloaded the Mimo app, and the Mimo app, when I tried to activate my camera, would keep searching over and over, and then finally I get a message to say that no DJI devices found. First one, second one, I sent them both back. And finally, I upgraded my phone to a Samsung S20 Plus. Why I did that is a complete separate video. I could have gone for a newer phone, but because I wanted that for a reason, so I decided to get an S20 Plus. I downloaded the DJI Mimo app. Activation went fine. I've been using it since then. The new one, which I'm concerned about the most, is the DJI Osmo Action 3 overheating at around 20 to 22 degrees here in Leeds, Yorkshire, England. Not in Gulf, not in Middle East, not in 40 degrees. Yes, unfortunately, at 21 to 22 degrees. In fact, about 2 3 weeks ago, it overheated when it was only 14 degrees. Few weeks ago, I was recording using my DJI Osmo Action 3 and it was only about 14 degrees, and I put the camera on the dash mount in my car, directly exposed to the sun, and within less than 2 minutes, I got a message that the camera was overheating. So I gave it benefit of the doubt, thinking that maybe it was directly exposed to the sun. Then I've been using it. The weather has been fairly, well, kind of cooler. We've not really had any major summer yet. It's been working fine. Today is 24th of May here in Leeds, Yorkshire, England. The temperature is 22 degrees. I started recording with my Osmo Action 3 using the dashboard mount, driving and recording. And then all of a sudden, within 2 minutes, I got the message to say the camera's overheating. Let me show you a few clips of the overheating issues. Right, then finally, regarding my DJI Osmo Action 3, some bad news. I'm in Leeds, West Yorkshire, England. It is 21 degrees right now, 24th of May, and I'm using my DJI Osmo Action 3. It happened before, but I gave benefit of doubt. 21 degrees, I'm recording, and here comes a message. Device overheated, recording stopped. I hope that's not the case with every DJI Osmo Action 3, but unfortunately mine is the second time it's happened. Before this happened about a month ago, and I had it mounted in my car over here. Sadly, the message is still there. So right now, I'm parked up under the trees, shadow, and a cooler spot. It doesn't feel that hot in the car. Temperature is about still 22 degrees. I've just used my Osmo Action 3 for a little about 3 or 4 minutes, and now I'm trying to use it again, and the resolution I was using is 2.7K at 60 frames per second, which is the standard resolution I use on my Osmo Action 3 these days. So anyway, let's see. I'm again trying to switch the camera back on, and this is the message I get. There we go. DJI, sorry, no, device overheating. Let's try one more time. There we go. And let's check the temperature one more time in the car. There we go. 23 degrees, but I reckon it's cooler in the car than 23 degrees. Leeds, England, West Yorkshire. We're not in Africa and we're not in Asia. We are in England right now at 23 degrees. And let's try one more time. There we go. Disappointed. The reason I got this camera, I wanted to get a camera that I could use for outdoor recordings, which also means going abroad, obviously hot countries like Gulf, Middle East, and North Africa. The reason I didn't go for a GoPro 11 is simply because I watched a few videos and people were suggesting that they are known for overheating and freezing. So then I finalized DJI Osmo Action 3 as my outdoor vlogging camera. If this is overheating at 22 degrees here in Yorkshire, England, could I use this when I'm abroad at 40 degrees? Perhaps not. DJI, very disappointed. Lovely camera when it works, but sadly, I need to use it in a way of warm temperature. I do need to use it abroad as well. It's not just for winter. In the summer, I want to go out there and use it as well. That's precisely why I spend my money on this camera, because I needed an outdoor camera. It is. I bought it from Argos. If you are facing similar issues, please let me know. Any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. Look after, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.